Earlier this week, Portland's City Council got an earful from business owners about a recent uptick in incidents of unhoused people verbally accosting their employees or their customers.
And they say they want something done about it. It appears many of the alleged incidents are happening in a relatively small section of the city, Monument Square. News Center Maine's Alex Haskell went there today.
Generally, it's been fantastic.
Ari Gerson has been running Longfellow Books in Monument Square for a decade. He took it over after his father died in 2015.
This is a magical space.
But lately, he says the magic has started to fade. Gerson says some of the unhoused people who gather in the square have made the area unsafe.
No one on my staff has been hurt, but people have definitely been scared. People have been definitely verbally accosted, as they come to work. I have.
He's also witnessed excessive drug use. All of this deterring customers and putting added strain on businesses here.
I just know we can do better. Portland's better than this.
Data from the Portland Police Department shows just how much the area has changed. In an 8-week period last spring, there were 9 calls for service in Monument Square. This year, that number jumped to 47 over the same period.
It's a public safety hazard.
Portland Mayor Mark Dion says he's seen the situation firsthand and agrees that action is needed.
And I think it's incumbent on the City Council to do whatever we can to support the city manager's strategy to clear that out.
Portland Police Chief Mark DuBois is also responding to concerns. In a statement, he tells News Center Maine he's aware of what's happening in Monument Square, and the city's community policing unit is giving extra attention to the area to help ease some of the issues, especially on business owners.
Over the past year, we've seen a sharp increase in drug use.
The concerns of Gerson and other business owners gained attention earlier this week when several spoke before City Council. Gerson says the response since then has been encouraging.
I think we've really tried to shine some attention on this issue because it is an important one.
He acknowledges there's no easy fix. Moving forward, Gerson hopes the effort to find a solution is collaborative and compassionate.
Everybody deserves to feel safe in a public space. So let's get there.
In Portland, Alex Haskell, News Center Maine.
Our team says they saw officers clearing people from Monument Square today. Preble Street, which provides services to Portland's unhoused population, says they appreciate how businesses in Monument Square are speaking about the issue and says the solution requires more investment in affordable housing, health care, and addiction treatment.